Well, hey there. Welcome back to the Idaho Panhandlers. My name's Danny, and this is the channel where we do things where we don't always know quite what we're doing. So welcome to our brand new to us 13-foot vintage 1975 Boler fiberglass camper. It's kind of a mouthful. So for the past 5 years or so, we have gone on a ton of camping trips here. And as the both of us are pushing our 30s, we decided that it is finally time to upgrade to a camper. We're tired of sleeping in the back of our car. We're tired of sleeping in tents on our camping trips. And so we bought this guy. It needs a lot of work, and the purpose of this series is basically to restore this old girl that's almost 50 years old into something that we want to use for our camping trips. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. This is the very first video in the entire series of our Boler restoration, and I hope you guys find it entertaining. If you guys do, be sure to leave a big thumbs up on this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the Idaho Panhandlers, and we'll give you guys a quick tour of the 1975 Boler camper. It is really tiny in here, you guys. So these old Bolers, I think they're technically called the Boler 1300 series. So that's actually just 13 feet on the outside of the camper. But really, when we measured in here earlier, we only have a 10-foot length of living space. And so all of that includes this bed area here, kind of on the inside. We have this kitchen area, and then we have the bunk that Tess is sitting on currently, which we'll show you guys. And then just this closet area is super tiny. But the plan is to completely restore and redo it all in here. And what we're starting with today in this video is we're going to rip out this entire kitchen area, because if you can see it, and it's going to be harder to show up on video, whoever did this kitchen area used a particle board which got wet, and it's really sloping down. If I put a marble right here, it would probably roll all the way down the camper and down, because it's so warped. So essentially the whole entire kitchenette needs completely repaired and completely redone. We're planning on taking out this heater and then just kind of redoing it. But we'll kind of get into the demolition part of this, take the floors out too, and we'll show you guys what it looks like.
Gonna think it's like a placemat.
What?
She's gonna think.
Is that all of them?
Yep. Not very good at this. Nope. Maybe you should do that.
You just gotta push.
Okay, I thought I was.
And then like short bursts kind of. Whoa. Got it.
So rested. Oh, nasty.
Just gonna put it down.
Maybe lift up.
Ah.
a daisies. That was way easier. Good job. That was better. I want it tilted. We're both gonna fit out the door. Okay.
Okay, so after a couple hours, we got the countertop completely ripped out. But right now, kitchen's completely out. So the next step of the gutting process is that we're actually going to rip out the floors, and then hopefully we're going to call it a day for the demolition.
Cool.
Okay, so it is officially the next day, and we're just gonna kind of recap and touch up here on episode 1. So we bought this camper literally like 2 days ago. It is still so brand new to us, but the first thing that we knew was we knew the kitchen needed immediately replaced. For whatever reason, the previous owner completely redid it and took out the original fiberglass kitchenette or kitchen and redid it and remade it with particle board. Which is really frustrating because moisture got into it and it just began to sag, and now we've got to figure out a way to basically refabricate a new kitchen area, attach it to a very flimsy fiberglass wall, and just make it stout and sturdy with not a lot of attachment points. So that's going to be interesting. Then we ripped out the flooring, and that should be pretty easy. These old vintage Boler campers actually had a fiberglass flooring. Whereas with a lot of the new fiberglass campers out these days, like the Scamp, the Casitas, they have wood flooring. So we got pretty lucky. Our floor is in good shape, so our plan is to use some old flooring from our house and just make it look nice in here. But what the next episode is going to consist of is actually this bunk in this bench area. So our plan is to actually cut it and then make a table kind of space out of it, and then basically we'll be able to sit on the left and right side, eat on this table, and then we're going to do away with the actual original table and then just make it a complete bedded area someday. So that is our plan, and that was episode 1. Quick fun fact for you guys: these Boler campers were actually manufactured from the years 1968 to 1988, and there's only 10,000 of them ever made. So we got one of the 10,000. And we just hope to kind of make it our own. So I hope you guys enjoyed episode 1, the introduction, the deconstruction of our 1975 Boler camper. If you did, be sure to leave a big thumbs up on this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. And we will see you all on episode 2. Thank you for tuning in to the Idaho Panhandlers.